What is going on, YouTube? I'm here today with a video for you. I got some stock picks for you, you know what I'm saying? It's not nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna say you about to go to the moon with it. We're not about to, it's not gonna be 10x by next week. But I did my research, my due diligence. I found a couple. They go in places. It's all about patience. The fundamentals are there. They'll always be there with these companies. It's just when will the market catch on? But as long as we're caught on, hopefully the market will follow. You know what I'm saying? It's better to lead though with things like this, bigger percentages. So I don't even mean to get into the intro for too long. My first pick already on the screen. I mean, y'all already know though. Planeteer. You can't beat Planeteer. Like, come on. AI data, one of the biggest things in today's economy right now. We're always gonna need it. It's no getting around it. It's always gonna be there. Planeteers, everybody knows it, you know, like you can't. You think AI data, you think Planeteer, so it's like you know what I'm saying? It just makes sense. It just makes sense. I mean, is it high? Yes. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It'll go higher. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. I mean, let's face it, AI. I'm not saying right now, but if you think in 10 years, your job might be cooked, buddy. You might be out of there. You might not be able to fry those patties no more, buddy. So, you know what I mean? Like, they're out here doing shit. Even my major, computer engineering, software engineers, AI, I might be cooked. That's all I'm gonna say. I mean, you seen that too. I seen it. I don't know if you've seen it, but I seen it. The dollar, that cash is crashing. It might be over. It might be over. The dollar keeps losing power. I mean, like, what are we? But you know what? That's outside factors. We're talking about right now. And you know what? Right now, I got another one for you. I mean, need I say more? I mean, come on. Let's put this on the big screen for a second. AMD, guys. Come on. Chips, AI. It's crazy because all the picks in this video are stocks like this, except with different variants. But they all revolve around the same thing. AI, chips. Like, come on, dude. Like, it's a layup. It's really a layup. It's not even like I tried too hard for this, you know. I literally just came back from gardening. Like, I just love to garden. And I cooked this up in a couple hours. Like, come on. Like, just read the news. It's really all you have to do is read the news. But people don't. It's cool, bro. You see the graph. It's up for a reason. It's gonna keep going up. Like, come on. You don't need to. I'm not even gonna dwell on that one either. Here's another one for you. I mean, it's like I don't even want to go over these. I'm just like, come on. The writing on the wall. It's up for a reason. I'm not even gonna. Come on, dude. Everyone has that. Everyone. $5 trillion market cap. Think about that. Sit on that. Another one. Just a little. You might not. You may not. But if you know, you know. Chips. That's all I had to say. That's all I had to say. If you know, I love this one. I have this one. Not all of these ones I talk about I have because I mean, chill. Like I'm in college. Like, come on. But I have this one. I love this one. This is the one. It's up for a reason. It's just getting started. It's just getting started. Come on. This one, just getting started. Like I'm trying to be helpful, I'm trying to get it started while we still can. I've got another one for you. Another one. I mean,
I low key lost all my footage. I had like another 15 minutes. I was just talking, giving y'all straight game, and I lost it. This was 2 days ago. And what's crazy is the stock I'm about to talk about next. I'm still gonna talk about the same stocks. The stock I'm about to talk about next, I dead ass bought it. I got y'all right now. It was only 2 days ago, so I'm not expecting nothing crazy, but I'm really trying to show y'all like I really do this. I'm not just capping for the YouTube. I might even throw a screenshot in here. But while it's loading, yeah, it's crazy because today's Halloween. I'm wearing my costume as I'm recording, so I'm low key like stalling going out so I can finish this. That's how dedicated I am, bro. That's how serious this, because it's really not hard. It's not. It's easy. Once you get the patterns of the news, you'll know where it's going. It's over. Anyway, I'm looking at it right now. It's up 10%, and I acquired it October 30th. It's October 31st, so yeah. But anyway, let me just give you the name of the stock. This was my top pick for this whole video. This is the one I was like, if it's anyone, it's this one. TeraWolf right here. All I'm gonna say, AI data centers. This one is better than APLD. I'm sorry. APLD is a close second, but this one is better. It's just better. It's good to have both, but I'm saying if you had to have one, I would personally go with this one. I mean, like I said, it's been one day of fully having it, 10%. Alas, when I was recording before, it was night. It was like 3 a.m. and now it's 4:30. So the market's still going. So this, of course, it's only been 2 days too. I mean, I'm not like it's whatever to be honest, but for a day, I mean, come on, like um, I'm actually very mad though I couldn't. The footage got corrupted and I wasn't able to put this out before I bought it, but it's whatever. Cause you know what? What I got next for y'all? Right here. SMCI. Wolf was number one in this whole video. Number two, SMCI. If you were wanna go, if you were to go with any of these, this top three easily. Number three, I would probably go with APLD. I mean, Nvidia, AMD, Planeteer, those are more like, they're always, not always, but for the foreseeable future, they're gonna be here. So, you know, it's kind of an obvious pick. These are more nuanced. But yeah, this one, all I'm gonna say, follow the news. It's all about the news. I mean, if you know, you know. It's not even a small company or anything. Next up, this one's a maybe. This one is really up to your discretion. Me personally, I'm on the edge. If you look on paper, good company, but then you think about its reputation along with its current stock price, I don't know.
SoFi most certainly has room to grow. How fast? I'm not sure, which is why it's not on my main list, but it's one of the ones that you have to watch extremely closely. And I know me personally, I definitely will be. One that I don't necessarily agree with right now at this time has to be Tesla. It has to be. Elon, I feel like all he's been talking about recently are auto taxis. and things of that nature. I understand this is a form of innovation from Tesla, but the efficiency that they're able to conduct a project such as that, I don't think Tesla is capable of. I think that they're overestimating themselves and it won't end up well for the stock. I won't say that it won't continue to rise, but at a solid rate, a consistent rate, one that's not oscillating as much as this is. For instance, hold on, this is a better chart. You know what I mean? I'm not saying volatility is bad. The market will always have volatility. But with the CEO that Tesla has, I don't know if it's trustworthy enough to keep this as a long-term stock and one that you can be certain will continue to have gains that are worth it. I won't say that it won't gain, but for the mental toll and the actual just shape of the chart, in my opinion, it's not worth it going through those specific hurdles for Tesla related gains at this current time. That's all I'm going to say. The last stock I have today, this one's a layup stock. The other ones, you're kind of shooting from three, I'll say. This one, if you know, you know. And I know you know. I know on Halloween, I definitely. Okay, I'll. Anyway, that's besides the point. If you know, you know. This stock is never going anywhere. I'm sorry to say. And at the current, this is the low for the year. I don't think it's going to go much lower than this. It's definitely not going bankrupt. It has no reason to go this low. If you look at the charts, the fundamentals, all of their reportings and things like that, Coors has no reason to be this low. That's all I'm going to say. Again, not advice. I'm not telling you to go buy it. But me personally, one of the next stocks I am going to be buying personally. I'm not saying it's going to 10x, but I don't always need a 10x play. Sometimes I need something that just sits and I know it's going to be stable for me, which is why I'm saying Tesla is not the play right now. I'm not saying that Tesla won't go up, but the volatility and things like that. Whereas a stock with Wolf, for example, I will gladly deal with that volatility. But with Tesla, I'm paying those premiums for a stock with comparable volatility. I don't think it's worth it, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest. Like, that's besides the point. Anyway, takeaways from today. Remember, there will always be uncertainty in the market. Right now, the Federal Reserve, nobody knows. But if you were to ask me, I don't think rates are going to continue to drop into November and December. They have been dropping recently, but continue as we end 2025, I don't see that happening. I'm gonna be completely honest, and I'm not gonna say I'm a crystal ball, but based off Powell's tendencies, I just don't see it happening. And I'm not gonna say the market will react negatively, but it won't be in completely positive. But you know what is always completely positive? That Christmas rally. If you really can deal with uncertainty, I'm not gonna say wait, but the Christmas rally is always there. It's essentially a guarantee at this point. So if you're really just gonna, you know, sit on the bleachers, then that's the prime time to get into the game. But for me, I'm putting up shots right now. I don't know about you. That's all I gotta say. But you know what? As long as you're growing, thinking about your future, always investing, just make sure you're always investing, even if it's not in stocks, anything like that. Make sure you're thinking about the future. You're thinking about growing. You can't be the same place you were yesterday. Things gotta change for the better. Always for the better.
And I do realize that not everyone loves stocks, you know. So this channel doesn't only have to be about stocks. I'm on the end of my cut, bulk season starting. Y'all are gonna be right there with me for that. I got all, in my opinion, I have one of the most easiest and effective splits. And it's just simple for me, you know what I mean? The movements, they're effective for muscle growth. They're not hard to learn. They're not hard to progressively overload, things like that. But I'm not gonna get it too far into it in this video. This is about stocks still, but just know there will be lots of fitness videos coming too. I've also got some crypto things of that nature. Now, crypto, I'm not as in tune as I am with stocks, so don't expect a crypto video to be as long as this video. You know what I mean? But I've got some knowledge up there that I'm ready and willing to share. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. You know, first video, getting used to it. Definitely, I didn't even know how to screen record at first. I going through hurdles. We'll get there. The quality of these videos too, always improving, always growing. Thank y'all for watching. For real.